Hello, hello. Hope you guys are having a fabulous April. Oh my goodness. This is Kelly Frick of kellyfrickconnect. I'm here to bring you health and wellness, hope and healing with your health journey. I am your health and wellness coach. Just here to bring healing and hope. So this month, I'm super excited. I'm going to be sharing with you guys off and on several times a week, hopping on to share with you about spring cleaning and thyroid and how they are related and how they can be related and how to be able to truly support yourself and your health to have that healing and that hope with your health. So this month we're going to be going through and diving through about spring cleaning and thyroid, like I said. So spring cleaning, understanding that it's not just about opening the windows and cleaning out the gunk that gets caked on from winter, right? It's not just about doing a veggie cleanse to slough off that winter baggage or the low energy. Spring cleaning is also spiritual. So think about this. What windows and doors into your soul need to finally be open to set free the hurt, the pain, the traumas that are being stagnant in your body physically? What spring cleaning of our soul helps us strip away the excess of weight of emotional hurt that slows us down and slows our thyroid down then. So we want to get started today with some of the simplest ways to spring clean. And something that you can do today is lemon oil, lemon essential oil. Now remember, I love and trust doTERRA essential oils. So anytime I talk about oils, essential oils, I'm talking about doTERRA essential oils. So whether you want to start freshening up your windows with lemon and vinegar to get that nice streaky, streak-free clean, right? And fresh air, or if you want to clean your gut and to be able to increase your energy, you can do the same thing with the lemon and apple cider vinegar. So lemon and vinegar. Today, you can do something with lemon and vinegar. You'll be opening your mind and your spirit to starting to release and spring clean as you do this. Because lemon is refreshing, it's renewing, and it's cleansing. So today, your tip is I want you to wash some windows and mirrors. And I want you to look deep into yourself as you're washing those windows and those mirrors. And I want you to drink some apple cider vinegar with lemon essential oil, doTERRA lemon essential oil, and make clear the pathways so that you can open your mind and feel renewed, all right? Diffuse lemon oil to be able to open your mind and your emotions, to be able to really tap into what has been bogging you down, right? Now, if you need a lemon essential oil, make sure and comment below and let's connect so I can make sure that I can get you some lemon essential oil. Also, share with me how you're doing and how you're going on this spring cleaning and all that stuff, all right? So go and do some amazing window washing today, some spring cleaning for your physical house, your physical body, and your spiritual being. And if you need to learn more about lemon oil, make sure and comment below, need lemon, and share with me how you did a cleaning today. Share below. I love to see the shares and the likes and the connecting of all the different amazing ways that we can use lemon essential oil and other holistic ways to cleanse our mind, body, soul, spirit journey. So until next time, you guys have a beautiful and blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, take care and God bless.